Hello everyone. Here in this question, the statement is given that manufacturing synthetic fibers is actually helping conservation of forest. And now we need to explain this. So this is because what we know is that here we have synthetic fibers. So let us write it here. So we know that synthetic fibers, they are made up from the chemicals, and in this process no natural substance is used. So this means that we are not cutting trees or using any other natural substance in the manufacturing of synthetic fibers, and that is why in turn we are conserving the forest. So what we can write here as the correct answer for this question is that synthetic fibers are made of chemicals. So they are not using any natural substances, and hence we are conserving the forest. So I hope you understood. Thank you.